14. Today we are going to see some remaining examples. Example number 13. A hot metal sphere. A hot metal sphere cools from 60 degrees centigrade to 52 degrees centigrade in 5 minutes, and from 52 degrees centigrade to 44 degrees centigrade in next 7.5 minutes. Determine its temperature in the next 10 minutes. This is our example. Now we are going to solve this example. Here we will write the solution. In that, first we will write the given. See here, a hot metal sphere cools from 60 degrees centigrade to 52 degrees centigrade in 5 minutes. That means d theta 1 upon dt is equal to dt1. 60 minus 52 means 8 divided by 5. Now second one, and from 52 to 44 is d theta 2 upon dt2 is equal to 52 minus 44 means again 8 in next 7.5 minutes. Determine its temperature in next 10 minutes means d theta 3 upon dt3. We have to obtain d theta. We consider here, suppose dt3 is given 10 minutes and you have to obtain d theta 3 first, and then suppose we consider this, we have to obtain d theta 3 or final temperature. Okay, now here theta 1 means mean of these 60 minus 52, 8, or mean we consider here mean 60 minus 52 means 60 plus 52 divided by 2 means we consider here 56, mean of the two. Also theta 2 is equal to 52 plus 44 means 96 divided by 2. I will write here 48 degrees centigrade. Okay, now we will solve this. Suppose d theta 1 upon dt1 equal to k into theta 1 minus theta 0, and therefore I will write here 8 by 5 is equal to k. Theta 1 is 56 minus theta 0 is not known. Suppose this is equation number 1. From second, d theta 2 upon dt2 equal to k into theta 2 minus theta 0, and therefore I will write here 8 upon 7.5 is equal to k into 48 minus theta 0. This is equation number 2. Now using these equations, we first obtain the value of theta 0. Suppose we divide equation 1 by equation 2, then we get here 8 by 5 divided by 8 by 7.5 is equal to 56 minus theta 0, k gets cancelled here, k into 48 minus theta 0. Here you see this 8 gets cancelled and k also gets cancelled, and therefore 7.5 divided by 5 is equal to 56 minus theta 0 divided by 48 minus theta 0. Or we will write here 7.5 divided by 5. Suppose I will write like this: 3 upon 2 equal to 56 minus theta 0 divided by 48 minus theta 0, and therefore 3 into 48. Suppose I will write here 144 minus 3 theta 0 is equal to 2 into 56. Means suppose I will write 112 minus 2 theta 0, and therefore theta 0 is equal to 3 theta 0 on this side. Therefore we get only theta 0 is equal to 144 minus 112. 44 minus 12. 44 minus 12. I will get here 32 degrees centigrade. This is the temperature of surrounding. Now, whenever temperature of surrounding is known, then suppose we will obtain this value of K. Suppose I will use, suppose this is equation number 3. We put value of theta 0 from equation 3 in equation 1. We get here 8 by 5 is equal to K into 56 minus 32. 8 by 5 is equal to K into 56 minus 32. That means I will get here 5 minus 3 means 2, 24. 8 is to 3, and therefore K equal to 1 upon 3 into 5 means 15. This is the value of K. Suppose this is equation number 4. Now we put this value of K. We write here, suppose d theta 3 upon dt 3 is equal to K into theta 3 minus theta 0. Okay. Now d theta 3, see here, d theta 3. Suppose I will consider temperature after 10 minutes. Suppose I will write theta dash be the temperature. This is also not known. Now theta 2 is known. Therefore I will write here, suppose 48 minus theta dash. This is the difference. Theta dash, we have to obtain the theta dash also. Upon dt3 is given. dt3 10 is equal to, we put value of K 1 upon 15. Theta 3, see here, theta 3 means we can write here 48 plus theta dash upon 2, mean temperature. We put this value 48 plus theta dash upon 2 and minus this 32. Okay, now we will solve this. See here, 5 is to 2, 5 is to 3, and this 2 goes, okay, no, not goes. I will write here 2 as it is. Now 3 on this side, 48 into 3, I will write 144 minus 3 theta dash is equal to 2 on this side. Okay, 48 plus theta dash minus 2 into 32, I will write 64 divided by 2. Okay, and now these 2 get cancelled. 144 minus 3 theta dash is equal to 48 minus 64. I will write theta dash minus 16. Okay, and therefore 144 plus 16 is equal to 4 theta dash, and therefore 144 means we write 160 is equal to 4 theta dash, and therefore theta dash is equal to 40 degrees centigrade, and therefore d theta 3 is equal to 48 minus 40 means we get 80 degrees centigrade. This answer is not actually we require, but this is required. This is the final temperature, that is after 10 minutes, that temperature is 40 degrees centigrade. Suppose we will check again. Okay, d theta 1 upon dt equal to k theta 1 minus theta 0. Then 8 by 5. Okay, theta 1 means mean of these. 52 plus 60 means 56. Okay, minus theta 0. This is one equation. D theta 2 means 52 minus 44 means again 8. 8 upon 7.5 equal to k. Mean of these two. 44 plus 52. 44 plus 52 divided by 2 means we get here 48 minus theta 0. Then we divide equation 1 by equation 2. 8 by 5 divided by 8 upon 7.5. K dash. K we write here, not k dash. K 56 minus theta 0. K 48 minus theta 0. Then 7.5 on this 8 get cancelled. 7.5 upon 5 equal to 56 minus theta 0. 48 minus theta 0. Okay. Now 3 by 2 equal to 56 minus theta 0. 48 minus theta 0. Now this 144 minus 3 theta 0 equal to 112 minus 2 theta 0. Then to this side 144 minus 112 means 32. Okay. Now third, we put the value of theta 0 in equation 1. 8 by 5 equal to k. 56 minus 32. 8 by 5 is equal to k. 56 minus 32 means 24. 8 into 3 and k equal to 1 by 15. Now third, d theta 3 upon dt 3 equal to k theta 3 minus theta 0. Then we take here 48 minus theta dash. We consider this final temperature means d theta 3. 48 minus theta dash upon dt 3. dt 3 is given 10 minutes equal to 1 by 15. 48 plus theta dash upon 2 minus 32. This is the room temperature. Then 10, 15, 2, 3 here. Okay. Then 3 to this side. 144 minus 3 theta 0 equal to 2 this side 2. 48 plus theta dash minus 64 upon 2. 2 gets cancelled. And 144 minus 3 theta dash equal to theta dash minus 16. And therefore 3 theta dash on this side. 144 plus 16 equal to 4 theta dash. And therefore 4 theta dash equal to 160. And this is our answer, theta dash. This is question number 13. Now we'll see next one. I hope you all understand this example. Now, question number 14. Compare rates of radiation of metal sphere at 627 degrees centigrade and 327 degrees centigrade Okay. Now we consider here, we have to obtain the solution. We write here solution. In that given, it is given, we have to compare the rates. That means we have to obtain R1 upon R2 equal to what? And you are given T1 equal to 627 degrees centigrade, means we consider, we add 273, we get here 900 Kelvin, and T2 equal to 327 degrees centigrade, we add 273 means we get here 600 Kelvin. Now we have to compare the rates. Now T1 upon T2 equal to, we write here sigma T1 raised to 4 upon sigma T2 raised to 4. This sigma gets cancelled, and T1 means we consider here 900 raised to 4 upon 600 raised to 4 means 9 raised to 4 upon 6 raised to 4, and if we calculate this we get here that is 6561 upon 1296, and if we actually calculate calculation then we get here 5.0625 R1 upon R2. This is our answer, or we can write here R1 is to R2 is equal to 5.0625 is to 1. This is our answer. Okay, this is question number 14. Then question number 15. Calculate the energy radiated in 1 minute. Energy radiated in 1 minute by a black body of surface area 100 cm square when it is maintained at 227 degrees centigrade, given sigma equal to 5.67 into 10 raised to minus 8 joule per meter square second k raised to 4. Now we will write the solution. In that, first given, calculate the energy radiated in 1 minute. You have to calculate the energy radiated in 1 minute. Okay, Q is asked. Now time is given, t equal to 1 minute means 60 seconds, by a black body of surface area 100 cm square, that means 10 raised to minus 2 meters square, we multiply by 10 raised to minus 4. Then temperature is given when it is maintained at T equal to 227 degrees centigrade, means in Kelvin I will write directly 500 Kelvin, and also sigma is given 5.67 into 10 raised to minus 8 joule per second meter square k raised to 4. Now we will solve. Now emissive power of a black body E equal to, we write here sigma t raised to 4, or Q upon AT is equal to sigma t raised to 4. Therefore Q upon T equal to sigma A t raised to 4, and which is equal to, we get here 5.67 into 10 raised to minus 8 into 10 raised to minus 2 into 500 raised to 4, and therefore Q upon 60 second equal to, we get here 35.43 joules per second, and therefore Q equal to, we multiply by 60, then we get here 2126.25 joules. This is our answer. I hope you all understand this. Now we will see next example. Question number 16. A body cools from 60 degrees centigrade to 52 degrees centigrade in 10 minutes and to 46 degrees centigrade in the next 10 minutes. Find the temperature of surrounding. Of surroundings. Now we will read the solution. In that first given, a body cools from 60 to 52, means we get here d theta 1 upon dt1 equal to 60 minus 52, 8 in 10 minutes. Also theta 1 equal to 60 plus 52 upon 2, means we get here 56. Now and to 46, 52 to 46 means d theta 2 upon dt2 equal to 52 minus 46 means 6 upon 10, and theta 2 equal to mean of this 52 plus 46. 52 plus 46 means 98 by 2. We get here 48. Not 98 means 98 by 2 means we get here 49 degrees centigrade, mean of the two, and we have to calculate temperature of surrounding theta 0. Now we will solve. Suppose I will write here d theta 1 upon dt1 equal to k into theta 1 minus theta 0. I will write 8 upon 10 equal to k into 56 minus theta 0. This is our first equation. We use secondly d theta 2 upon dt2 equal to k into theta 2 minus theta 0. This is 6 upon 10 equal to k into 49 minus theta 0. Now this is equation number 2. We directly divide equation 1 by equation 2. We get here 8 upon 6 equal to, this 10 gets cancelled, k also gets cancelled. 56 minus theta 0 divided by 49 minus theta 0, and therefore we can write 8 by 6 equal to 4 by 3. Okay, multiply by 4. 49 into 4, 196 minus 4 theta 0 is equal to 3 to this side, means 150. 168 minus 3 theta 0. Now 4 theta 0 to this side, 196 minus 168 equal to theta 0, and therefore 196 minus 168 means 26 and 2 means 28. Therefore theta 0 is equal to 28 degrees centigrade. This is our answer, that is temperature of surrounding. Now we'll see next example. Example number 17. A hot body is kept in cooler surrounding its rate of cooling is 2 degrees centigrade per minute when its temperature is 60 degrees centigrade and 1 degree centigrade per minute when its temperature is 45 degrees centigrade. Determine the temperature of surrounding and find the rate of cooling when the temperature of body is 40 degrees centigrade. This is our example. Now we will write the solution. In that, first we will write what is given. See here, we have given d theta 1 upon dt equal to 2 degrees centigrade per minute and theta 1 equal to 60 degrees centigrade. Now secondly, d theta 2 upon dt equal to 1 degree centigrade per minute, theta 2 equal to 45 degrees centigrade, and you are asked d theta 3 upon dt is equal to what? Theta 3 equal to 40 degrees centigrade. Also theta 0 is asked. Now we will solve. Suppose, as like a previous example, d theta 1 upon dt, I will write 2 equal to k into theta 1 minus theta 0 means 60 minus theta 0, equation 1. Similarly, 1 equal to k into 45 minus theta 0. This is equation number 2. Divide equation 1 by equation 2, we get 2 equal to 60 minus theta 0 divided by 45 minus theta 0 means 90 minus 2 theta 0 equal to 60 minus theta 0, and therefore 30 equal to theta 0 equal to 30 degrees centigrade. This is the room temperature. Now if we put this value of theta 0 in equation 1, then we can get k. 2 equal to k into 60 minus 30. 2 equal to k into 30, and therefore k equal to 2 by 30 means 1 by 15. This is the value of k. Now for third, we will write d theta 3 upon dt is equal to k into theta 3 minus theta 0. We put the value of k 1 by 15. Theta 3 is given 40 minus theta 0 is also we have calculated 30 means 10 by 15 or 2 by 3 means we get here 0.6666 or 0.67 degrees centigrade per minute. This is the d theta 3 upon dt3. That means this we have asked, also this we have asked. In this way we have calculated theta 0 means room temperature also, and third rate of the cooling d theta 3 upon dt3. Here we have completed our topic kinetic theory of gases and radiation with much more examples. Now you prepare for the test. Okay, now here we completed third topic, fourth is already completed. Now from next lecture we will start topic number 5. Thank you.